Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Outlook scheduling feature. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for Outlook. Once you've done that, click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Finally, once you've done that, all you need to do is click on new mail, and once you've composed your mail, all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and schedule is click on this button which is right beside the send button and click on schedule send. And now you can exactly choose what day, what time, or you can even add your custom time, as you can see. So any day on the calendar can be placed, so as long as you want as well. So as you can see, I can go all the way up to more than 2027. I just can keep going up, and I can send it anytime and just schedule a time and send it. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next.